Sometimes you need to zoom in to work on details or out to see the bigger picture. Either case, zooming in Photoshop is essential for a proper workflow. So how do you zoom in and out in Photoshop? It's pretty straightforward. Let's start with the keyboard. To zoom in, you can simply hit the Command or Control and the plus sign, and to zoom back out, you can hit Command or Control and the minus sign. But you may have guessed it, that's not all. You can also hit the Z key on your keyboard, which will activate the zoom tool that's located on the left-hand side toolbar. Now you just need to point your mouse wherever you want, click and drag to the right to zoom in, or click and turn to the left to zoom out. But that is still not all. If you're using any sort of mouse that has a mouse wheel, you can go to your preferences under Tools and check the Zoom with Scroll Wheel option. Now you can use your mouse wheel to scroll in and out, which is fantastic for a good workflow because it's fast. And lastly, which for me is the best way but only for the Mac users, sorry Windows, is by simply using the pinch on your trackpad. By the way, if you are zoomed in or zoomed out, but you want to go back to the beginning and make it so that your image fits the screen, you can either hit Command or Control and 0, which will fit your image to the screen basically, or Command or Control and 1, which will zoom in 100%. And if you're ever wondering, you can see how much you have zoomed in by simply checking the lower left-hand corner, because that's where it shows you. Now you know everything about zooming in Photoshop. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up as well as subscribe button to help out the channel if you so desire. And as always, stay safe and have a good one.